Hey everyone, David here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up bulk discounts in WooCommerce using the Disco plugin. Bulk discounts are an awesome way to encourage your customers to buy more. The logic is simple. The more they buy, the more they save. It's perfect for boosting sales, moving inventory faster, or even offering wholesale style deals. Today we're going to set up a tiered bulk discount, also called a volume discount. And here's the structure we'll build. Buy 2 to 5 units, get 5% off. Buy 6 to 10 units, get 10% off. Buy 11 to 15 units, get 15% off. Buy 16 or more units, get 20% off. Pretty great, right? This way, customers are motivated to keep adding items to their cart to unlock bigger savings. And the best part, setting this up in Disco is really straightforward. I'll guide you step by step, so you'll see exactly how to do it in the back end, and then we'll check how it looks live in the store. All right, let's jump into the setup. First, make sure the Disco plugin is installed and activated. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to Disco, create a discount. Let's give this campaign a name. I'll call it Bulk Discount by Quantity. That way it's easy to find later. Next, under Discount Intent, select Bulk. Since this discount is based on the number of items a customer buys, now we need to pick the product. You can apply bulk discounts to all products or just to specific ones. For this example, let's set it up for a single product, say deck. A belt. Tap to few products and just search for belt and select it. Done. Next up is the user limit. This controls how many individual users can take advantage of this discount. For our example, let's say the first 100 customers. So we'll set the limit to 100. Then we have the valid dates. You can schedule this campaign to run whenever you want for a sale, a holiday, or just a week-long promo. Let's set it for the next 7 days. Now for the exciting part, the bulk rules. This is where we set up our tiers. In the bulk rules section, you'll see fields for minimum and maximum quantities. This is how you define the ranges. So for our first rule, set the minimum to 2, maximum to 5, choose percentage as the discount type, and enter 5 as value. That means if someone buys between 2 to 5 belts, they'll get 5% off. Let's add another rule. Click on Add More, set the minimum to 6 and maximum to 10. Discount type to percentage and value to 10. Now add one more. Set minimum 11 and maximum 15. Discount type percentage and value 15. And finally, let's create the last tier. Set minimum to 16 and leave maximum blank because this applies to any number above 16. Discount type again, percentage, and enter 20 as discount value. Perfect. We now have all 4 tiers set up. Next, you'll see the conditions section. This is where you will get advanced filtering and customer-specific options. You could set discounts based on product attributes, price, cart subtotal, purchase history, even specific customers. But for this example, we don't need any conditions, so we'll skip this step. That's it. Our setup is done. Just click Save and Exit. Here's our discount is live now. Now let's check it out on the store. Go to the shop, find the belt product, and open the product page. Let's increase the quantity to 2 and add it to the cart. Head to the cart page, and you'll see our 5% discount applied, just like we set. Now let's increase the quantity up to 10 and update the cart. Instantly, the discount updates to 10%. Next, let's change it to 15. Boom! 15% discount is applied. And finally, let's go big. 20 items. And just like that, the cart updates to 20% off. Everything works exactly as we planned. Customers save more as they buy more. And that's it. You've set up a tiered bulk discount with Disco. The more customers buy, the more they save, and it all runs automatically. Simple, powerful, and a great way to boost sales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.